having trouble finding chums for your stag night?
No.
Sick.
George.
Oh, I don't think necessarily George would enjoy
Pitch
it.
black.
Really.
Why? What will you be doing?
Well, you know.
You gonna video?
Oh, no, you don't hear you. Well, over the years, certain traditions have grown up whereby the groom
This
is
is so.
encouraged to drink
Did you see that?
leads and then.
Oh, I got a video.
When the fucking lightning comes down.
Oh,
Sales forum in 1989.
No, you won't get it, darling.
okay.
You're sitting there ages for that.
Okay.
No, that's fine. Okay, fine.
Sick.
Okay, you can come.
Oh, thank you.
This fondue is sick.
Hello, cheeks.
Who's that?
Are you just
Yeah.
videoing
I was
black?
just wondering if your club would be suitable
I know.
for a small group of men.
Hello,
On
Alfie.
outing.
I'm not as lights on there as well as a tree.
And the women like
So much prettier.
take all their clothes off. Yeah. And then they like.
Oh, you missed it then.
No, I saw. I got it. I just didn't see it in my actual eyesight. I saw go on video. Oh, did you see that?
Isn't as young as he used to be. Can he do
Alfie.
the individual lap dancing?
Don't want him out there. Alfie,
Yeah.
It's fine.
Good.
I don't want him to get struck. Good boy. Apparently, isn't it if you hold rubber or paper, you'll be alright?
Yes. Rubber, yeah.
Closest I've actually seen, it's like Granny's house where the thing lives now. I've actually seen a real lightning in the day.
Yeah, I remember this one.
I actually cried and Ariana came round. Did go well.
Come on in now, you're not going to get
Massive hand.
Lily, come on. No, stop it. No, stop it. Oh, come on, turn it off now.
No.
You're not going to get any more. It's going away.
Poor.
Now these birthing talks to women that are like knocked up. Bit weird, isn't it? That's what I said. What's this bit? I know. Umbilical cord. That way to straighten the baby, I suppose, would it?
I still think it's pretty cool because I'm like world scared lightning, but
You'd be better off doing it going into my mummy's room.
what's that, Dad?
My window.
Okay.
I don't think you're going to get much now.
Venture up to my mum's room. Mum's room. Tell me if there's like any epicness. All of a sudden. Honestly, don't care. I'm not gonna lie. I just want to get a good shot of this one. Epic. It's gonna fall. It's a road, it's a tree. Down there, it's like our pool. Well, can't see now because it's dark. Anyway, we put it out early because it was so hot. Did you see that? That was sick. So we're like, we get out like massive loads of bugs and slugs and snails and everything. Whoa. What the hell? What, are you hearing this? What the hell? So many bugs. It's disgusting. So it's just like massively pitch black. It's at night time. It's down there. That's the living room. This is my mum's room. Very, very messy. My Freddy, Teddy, Goldie from Five Nights at Freddy's. If you know Fast Freddy, you're wicked. And if the Sly Fox family or any of my favourite YouTubers is watching this, I love you guys. You're so awesome. And all that. Yeah. I listen to my favourite YouTubers are Sly Fox Family, Roman Outward, Little Kelly, Little Carly and all the Little Club, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, Down TDM, and Fall Out Boy, One Direction and all that. So yeah, love you guys and all that. Man Achiever. Whoa! That was a lie. I'm massively scared of thunder, but I'm not scared of thunder like I used to. Anyway, yeah. There's actually a house neighbour here. Whoa. That my granny's in before he died. Yeah. And I was at his house for a bit. And it was lightning in the day. Like, I saw a massive rain and I went downstairs after an absolutely massive one, and when it started like getting really dark and all that, my friends knocked on me and I went up for like 5-10 minutes, and then I got really scared because it got really darker. So I actually went with a pillow over me and cried. And then I got over it, ran a car, and away. It was so scary. Because my mum says it's not raining now, so it'll hammer down earlier because it's going to rain tomorrow. Because the day is, that, I have no idea what the date is. Random car, van. What the fudge is it doing? Don't even care. I think the day is like in the 20th or 20 something of August, because like 2 weeks and go back to school because I'm in England and all that. Maybe we have like 6 weeks on, I don't know. And if you're my friends watching, Aww. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If any of you believes you can go away because that is because if you're in my country you know what I've been through or not. So I hope you enjoyed and stay cool.